You've probably heard the pitch by now. AI helps you code. And it does. Autocomplete, refactoring, documentation. Useful stuff. But there's a gap between AI helps you write code and AI actually builds the whole thing for you. And that gap is where most people spend the most time. You still have to architect it, glue it together, deploy it, and figure out why it broke on mobile. That's the problem Higgsfield App Builder is going after. Instead of helping you write code, it skips the code entirely. You describe what you want, it generates a working app, and you get a live URL. No IDE, no deployment pipeline, no staring at a terminal wondering what went wrong. The model behind this is Claude Fable 5, and the glue that makes it actually useful is called MCP, Model Context Protocol. We'll get into what that means in a second. There's also a $100,000 app contest running right now. Submit before July 22nd, and you could win serious money just for shipping something useful. I'll leave a link in the pinned comment. App Builder lives inside what Higgsfield calls supercomputer, which is basically a hub where you can run AI agents, skills, and automations. The App Builder skill specifically pairs Claude Fable 5 with the Higgsfield MCP. Here's what that pairing does for you. Claude is the brain. It writes the front end, the back end logic, the database schema, all the code that makes an app actually work. But Claude alone, when it writes code for an app, outputs something that looks like a gray box with a placeholder button. It doesn't have access to real assets, real hosting, or real media. That's where the MCP comes in. MCP, Model Context Protocol, is an open standard that connects Claude to external tools. Think of it like a bridge. You add the Higgsfield MCP connector to Claude's settings, point it to the Higgsfield server URL, authenticate with your account, and now Claude can reach into Higgsfield's generation engine. Instead of returning a placeholder image, it generates a real UI element. Instead of a gray box, you get a functioning component. Let me walk you through what the actual workflow looks like. First, I describe the app in plain English. That's the whole prompt. What happens next is the part that would normally take you days. Claude writes the full front-end code, the calculation logic, the UI layout, and the back-end hooks. At the same time, Higgsfield generates the visual layer, the actual textures, icons, and styling. When it's done, you get a live preview. Not a screenshot of a prototype, an actual functioning app running on a real URL that you can open in any browser, send to anyone. Now, the first pass isn't always perfect. No generation model gets everything right on the first try. But this is where the iteration loop comes in. If the layout needs to change, you say so. Claude updates the code, Higgsfield regenerates the assets, and the preview refreshes. You keep going until it matches what you had in your head. The iteration model is one of the things that makes this genuinely different from traditional no-code tools. Most no-code builders give you drag-and-drop components and a static preview. If you want to change the logic, you either find the right setting or you're stuck. With App Builder, you're in a conversation. You can ask for specific changes and get specific results. Claude rewrites the logic, Higgsfield updates the UI, and the preview updates. No hunting through menus, no config files. You're just talking to the app until it's right. When it is right, you publish it. The App Builder generates a shareable URL that lives on Higgsfield's infrastructure. You can send it to users, embed it on a landing page, or submit it to the contest. And the contest is worth talking about, because the deadline is July 22nd, and the prize pool is real money. The $100,000 app contest is straightforward. Build an app using App Builder, or build it directly with Claude and the Higgsfield MCP, and submit it before the deadline. Landing pages, mini-apps, calculators, games, dashboards, browser extensions, creator tools. If it runs in a browser and solves a real problem, it qualifies. If you submit, you get 100 free credits to start with. That covers a decent amount of generation time to test things out and polish your submission. And the top entries win a cut of the $100,000 prize pool. Let's be specific about what App Builder is actually good for, because it can build apps, is technically true, but not very useful. It's strong for building internal tools, calculators, unit converters, trackers, dashboards. These are things developers normally knock out in a few hours, but that non-technical people have to either request from a dev team or approximate in a spreadsheet. With App Builder, you just describe it. It's also genuinely good for landing pages and microsites. Describe the layout, the sections, the copy intent, and it generates a functioning page. You can then edit the copy directly or use the iteration loop to adjust the layout. Games are where it gets interesting. The games blog on the Higgsfield site documents people building multiplayer browser games, first-person pirates, block world shooters, webcam-controlled fruit slicers, using the same Fable 5 plus MCP pipeline. These aren't prototypes. They're live, multiplayer, hosted games that strangers can find and play without installing anything. One person documented building 3 games for about $68 in credits and waking up to thousands of plays. Browser extensions are another use case people are exploring. You're describing functionality and getting a working extension that you can install in Chrome or share as a link. The thing to understand is that App Builder is not trying to replace professional developers. It's trying to make the space between "I have an idea" and "I have something running" much smaller for everyone who doesn't have a dev team on call. If you've been sitting on an app idea, this is probably the lowest friction moment to actually build it. The contest deadline is July 22nd. You have time. You get 100 free credits just for signing up. The pipeline is: sign up, describe your app, iterate until it's working, submit. The link is in the pinned comment. Everything you need is at higgsfield.ai. App Builder, the MCP connector setup, and the contest page. No credit card required to start. I'll see you in the next one.